Okay, robot. So going to give you demo for that pagination task and the full list of records on deleting the landlord and property. Okay, I have checked that there are uh, many list of JS, and due to the JS confliction, right now you can see there isn't any JS issue, right? Warning and issues, right? There must be some warning, but no issue, right? No error within JS, but due to the JS error, it's sometimes it's affect some features. Okay, so we have to take care of that as well. If some developer is working on some JS, make sure that their JS is not broken. Okay, robot. So let me give you demo, right? So this was the previous I was checking the test. Okay, this is test. Let's check now. It's 1 to 25 record. Okay, robot. So let's view this like that. Okay, and let's check. Let's go to the record number 2 or 3, whatever. Let's do it like that. Okay, and okay, and let's delete this landlord. Okay, also you can see within the my screen the loader is on the middle of the screen. Okay, so please remove your cache and check it again. Okay, and then let me know. Yeah, if you are concerned about the loader size, so yes, we can reduce the size, but let me know once if the position of this loader is not correct still after removing caching. Okay, so this is, you can go further like that. You saw that I have deleted this landlord, and you can see I can go next. Okay, fifth record, sixth record, and so on, right? You can see that, Robert. Okay, yeah, and you can go to previous record like that as well. It jump to 5, 6, 7, 8, and then previous 7. Okay, okay, sixth record, 6 of this. You can see 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6, right? This one is 6. Yeah, 6, and we can scroll down and see this. It's working, right, robot? So you can see, and which record we are right now. You can check that all above. It's 13 record, right? So let's do one more test. Let's test it with deleting the property this time, right, robot? So we are on record number 15, and this is down there 16, right? So let's delete this 14th record, I guess, right? Belongs to me, right? So let's delete the property of this record. When let me, yeah, 14th, and let's delete this. Okay, There is again an error. Why this error is coming is, okay, we'll check that. But let's test this. If this error will affect the pagination, I don't think so. Right, robot. So pagination is working fine. You can see that. Right, robot 18th. You can see that, robot. Okay. So after 20, let's check the um, records in the C list. Then it will get load. It's taking time to this time. Yeah, you can see that 20 records in this list. Let's see the C list. Let's go down. Okay, Robot. So actually it is working. Okay, it's loading the record. Okay, there are 24 record, right? So previously that you had shown me on video, even I found that issue, uh, and there were list of JS issue I was checking, but I didn't take a screenshot for that. But there were list of issues as well for JS issues. Okay, so other than this issue what I am mentioning you in property tab.js, other than that, if there are more issues belong to other JS files which may affect, not possibly, because sometimes it depends upon position. If some JS is we are using above uh, and some function you can say we are using, okay, which is firing after my event, so it will display an error. Okay, if that event has error actually. For example, if there was if you will see the event of message, you can see the this we were using um, JS for fetching messages as well, right? I don't know which one was that. Load save data, I guess this one. Okay, sometime the JS belongs to it displays error which can interrupt our this logic sometimes, right? Some logic. So it's 22 record, 2 records left. Now it's, I think for this KML file, because it also takes time to display, to read this KML, I guess, right? So we should think about to change the logic a little bit to view a KML file. Like if, see, we can display a, this is an idea only, we can display a simple map over here, and there could be some button, okay, or checkbox to display the parks and all that on click on that, this diagram could be displayed. Okay, this way the whole process will be, much faster, because you can see that, see, right now I am just on this particular landlord, and this got hanged a little bit because it is taking time to read KML. Okay, when there is multiple requests for KML, so in that case, due to the heavy request, this can get, hang like this. Okay, and this is my final record. Okay, after that, no property found should be in displayed. Okay, robot. So this is my last property, I guess, right? Right here, robot. You can see. Okay, it was the final record, and no record found displayed after fetching all the records. Okay, it is our 24th record. I will just show you once. You can see, right, all the 24 records has been fetched robot. Okay, so please have a look and let me know.